going to break down this video in this way so that if you are in any year of your college, like start preparing DFA, preparing for your internship, preparing for your placement, you can relate with me. Because in this video I'm going to share with you all if I had to start DFA again. बिकॉज फ्रॉम द पास्ट 1 मंथ मैंने DFA को टच भी नहीं किया है. लाइक मैंने करा है, बीच में मैंने स्टार्ट करा कि लाइक 1 2 3 क्वेश्चन करके कंसिस्टेंट रह लेते हैं DFA में, बट वो हो नहीं पाया बिकॉज आई वॉज बिजी इन लॉन्चिंग माई वेबसाइट. सो इफ़ यू डोंट नो, then go check it out my website. It is very helpful to you. Link in my description box, so you can go and check out my website. And after this video I am going to share you everything regarding my website, clarity why I am building my website, what's in my mind while building my website and everything. So stay tuned for the next video. But now let's just start our video. Also stay tuned in this video because I'm sharing my honest everything, because at this time I also want to get consistent in the DFA. So let's just start with the video. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द रिसोर्सेज फर्स्ट. तो तुम्हें कुछ भी चीज़ स्टार्ट करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुम्हें रिसोर्सेज की नीड होगी. तो जब मैं कॉलेज में थी एंड व्हेन आई वाज स्टार्ट द DFA, सो आई प्रिफर वॉचिंग द वीडियो फ्रॉम द कोड हेल्प बाय लवबर वीडियोज. उन्होंने C++ में DFA कराई हुई है. एंड सेकेंड वन, इफ़ सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम, तो उसमें ना मुझे उस टाइम अपने कॉलेज टाइम पे बहुत दिक्कत आई थी. लाइक मुझे कुछ शीट नहीं मिल रही थी, रैंडमली क्वेश्चंस में सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रही थी. बट नाउ आई प्रिफर स्ट्राइवर SD शीट फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन फॉर DFA, और नहीं तो स्ट्राइवर की A to Z शीट, ही दोनों शीट बेटर है. वीडियोज आई प्रिफर प्लेलिस्ट, एंड फॉर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन आई प्रिफर द शीट. यही तुम्हारा एक बेस्ट चीज़ है कि फिक्स कर लो. ऑल्सो स्ट्राइवर की भी प्लेलिस्ट है यूट्यूब पे, बट मैंने अपने स्टार्ट जब करी थी तब मैंने लव बब्बर वाली से ली थी वीडियो ऑफ DFA की, तो मेरे को भी शिफ्ट करने में दिक्कत होगी. बट इफ़ यू आर न्यू हु आर स्टार्टिंग द DFA, चूज एनी वन फ्रॉम दैम, इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन you. So now resources are decided, and now let's talk about how I started to do DFA. So let's talk about it. So first understand what is DFA. तो बेसिकली मैंने ना बहुत से लोगों को सुना है कहते हुए, लाइक जिन्होंने मेरे से भी पूछा है या फिर भी. तो लेट्स गेट ए क्लैरिटी अबाउट व्हाट इज़ DFA. So first of all, DFA is not an language. DFA basically a type of subject for us, like who are in the tech industries and who are doing the engineering. For us it is a logical building subject where we had a question, like we had a question in maths. Just like that we have a question, we have to build logic upon that question, how this question is going to be approached. And then by using any of the languages like C++, Java, Python, and any of the languages, we solve this problem as per our logic. And in the DFA there are a lot of solution for a one problem. We start with a brute force solution, like जो एकदम से हमारे माइंड में आ रहा है कि हाँ इसको हम इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट वे किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट देर इज़ अ two concepts in a DFA, that is the time complexity and space complexity. Let's suppose the approach for any question which comes in our mind are the approach who are taking a lot of time and lot of space. We are going to optimize that approach which can be solved in a less time and the less space. Okay, so this is basically we are going in a DFA. We approach the question. If the approached solution is having a higher time complexity, higher space complexity, then we optimize that solution. Okay, this is basically a DFA. DFA doesn't require a lot of math, but it required a logic, and that's why DFA exists, to build our logic. A logical building subject, we can say this. You are cleared what is DFA. And now how to start the DFA. So first pick up a language. I picked the C++. Someone suggests to pick the Python because Python having a inbuilt functions, and Python codes are generally smaller than the C++ code in terms of line of code. So someone preferring you to start DFA with a Python because it will be efficient for you in your online assessment to save your time and all. But I prefer the C++ because I start DFA in the C++ and मेरे से Python में generally shift नहीं हो पा रहा है DFA में. So I start with the C++. What I planned yesterday to start the DFA today. So I plan to start with a stack. because array I done with array, I done with linked list, even I done with the stack, queue, graph, dynamic programming, trees, every topic. But now I have to revive again. I never start the DFA with an array, but you have an array, string, linked list, heap, sort, searching, sorting, trees, graph, dynamic programming. Now what I do, I pick a topic, like I pick a stack. You can pick any of the topic. So what I'm doing now, I binge watch the playlist of a stack. Also, when the question come of a stack, when I understand the approach how to solve a question of a stack, then before starting the next question, I pause the video. I build my logic upon that question, how to be solved that, and then I play the video again to check that my solution is matched with his solution or not. This is my approach जो मैं अभी रखने वाली हूँ while solving the DFA again. Okay, so for you, start with any of the topic. If you are starting new, then start with the start of a playlist. But if you are revising anything and start the DFA just for the revising, then you can follow my approach, just starting a topic, binge watch the playlist videos. If any of the question come, then stop and first build your logic, build your approach on that question, and then play the video, check your solution with the video solution. This is how I approach and I plan to solve the question. And now the second one thing is how to be consistent, how to keep in mind that approach while solving the question अगेन. बिकॉज ये होता है, देखो तुम एक बार कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, अगर तुम अगेन उस क्वेश्चन को 4 दिन बाद 5 दिन बाद क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने बैठोगे ना, तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. इफ लाइक हियर इफ द रिवीजन द अनदर डे before starting the new question or the new topic or the new concept about the DFA, just revise those questions which you did previously. Simple enough. And then कीप अ वीकली टारगेट, लाइक इस वीक में तुमने जितने भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे हैं तुम उसको वीकेंड पर रिवाइज करो. सेम 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 तुम करते जाओ, अपना मॉक इंटरव्यू लेते जाओ. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू रिवाइज द DFA. DFA इज़ नॉट एन हार्ड. DFA needs a logic building, DFA needs a time, DFA needs a practice, DFA needs you, so that you build your logic, you build your approach to solve the question. Now, two things I cleared you, how I start the DFA again. If you are new here, how you start the DFA. If you forgot the approaches, how you will revise the DFA. This is just my way to revise the DFA. And also, I take the help from a chat GPT to solve the DFA, but I just not copy paste the question. I just discuss my question with ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT is my mentor, and I am discussing my approach with the ChatGPT before see the actual approach of an actual solution of that problem. And now the last thing which is very matter is how to be consistent in DFA. Just make a target of solving the one question from a sheet. जो भी टॉपिक तुम कर रहे हो उस टॉपिक का एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का तुम टारगेट रखो. अगर तुम्हारे वीडियोज़ में, अगर तुम जो वीडियोज़ देख रहे हो उसमें ऑलरेडी 2 से 3 क्वेश्चंस है, सो यू कीप द टारगेट लाइक एक क्वेश्चन मुझे खुद से करना है. इफ़ द क्वेश्चन इज़ न्यू इन द शीट, वो क्वेश्चन तुम्हारी वीडियोज़ वाले क्वेश्चन में नहीं है, ओके, तो वीडियोज़ वाले भी हो रहे हैं, वो भी हो रहे हैं, तुम्हारी क्वान्टिटी बढ़ रही है. But also there is a one thing in a DFA, if quality matters more than a quantity, because DFA had a lot of patterns like two pointer, sliding window, prefix sum, suffix sum, recursion, searching, sorting. There are a lot of patterns. And first you have to understand that pattern. अगर तुमने वो pattern understand कर लिया, उसकी 4-5 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लिया, इवन ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर ली, that's enough. And please stop comparing yourself with others in terms of a DFA. ओके, बिकॉज समटाइम्स क्या होता है, जिन्होंने 500-600 प्रॉब्लम लगा ली है, इवन दे आर अनब्लीफ, या वो उतना अच्छा पैकेज नहीं ले पाते. इफ़ यू आर द समवन हु आर डूइंग द लेस क्वेश्चन देन द अदर्स एंड you are doing a quality wise question, you solve the patterns, you solve the question like you understand the question, not just solving the question to increase your number of question on a lead code or any of the platform you are using, then it's a probably chances that you get a higher package than theirs, because you focus on a quality, not on a quantity. Okay, so these are the three things. I think I cleared you everything about how I start the DFA. If you feel DFA is hard, then this is the way which I'm followed DFA again. जो भी मैं अभी करने वाली हूँ ना, हाउ आई स्टार्ट, हाउ आई गेट कंसिस्टेंट, हाउ आई रिवाइव एंड एवरीथिंग, जो मैंने तुम्हें इस वीडियो में बता दी है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव स्टिल एनी डाउट दैन प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on X, and you can follow me on LinkedIn also. All the links are in the description box. And check out my website because I build a website. Keep in mind all of you guys, because I struggled a lot in a resume and I don't want that you are struggling too. So I built resume template for you, so go and check out my website. And also the coupon code for that template I was shared in my WhatsApp group, so go check it out. My WhatsApp group also link in the description. I will upload the video just regarding my website. I will share all the coupon codes with you all for every template, so stay tuned for that video. Until then, like this video, subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.